Good afternoon, chess friends. I am Emma from Openingmaster. Today, I would like to share with you some thoughts on why chess databases are important for you. Ready? The chess databases are important for a number of reasons. First and foremost, chess databases allow players to study and analyze past games. By studying the strategies and tactics used by top players, aspiring chess players can improve their own skills and understanding of the game. In addition, chess databases can be used to identify patterns and trends in a player's style, which can be helpful in preparing for a match against that player. Second, chess databases can be used as a training tool. Many chess databases come with built-in analysis and training features that allow players to test their skills and practice specific openings or endgames. This can be particularly useful for players who are looking to improve their tactics or endgame play. Third, chess databases can be used to track progress and measure improvement. By storing and analyzing a player's games over time, a chess database can help a player identify areas of weakness and track their progress as they work to improve. Finally, chess databases can be used for research and analysis. Chess enthusiasts and researchers can use chess databases to study the history of the game, analyze the trends and patterns that have emerged over time, and identify the factors that contribute to a player's success. Overall, chess databases are an invaluable resource for players, trainers, and researchers alike. They provide a wealth of information and tools that can be used to improve one's understanding and skills in the game of chess. This short video was made thanks to the Openingmaster, the chess database company with biggest chess database in the world holding more than 9 million human chess games played over the board.